video, I got to the second C. This is just a voiceover because my microphone doesn't want to work for some reason. But the Valentine's update came out, and I'm going to the second C first. So I was just grinding, and I really need a Buddha. So yeah, this is in the past tense to let you know. But also the thing is, I already got a Buddha, and I'm already in second C, just voiceovering and everything and stuff. I'm waiting for my cousin to get to the second C so I can grind in the video, but I already made it to the second C, and he's already in second C. I got a Buddha, and he has a Buddha. So yeah, I gotta die. And yeah, he's just gonna wait a little bit for it. I'm just gonna invite my friend right now, the crew, so you can help me. By the way, I am in the third C in my main account. I'm just grinding here. This dude wants to fight me, get one-shotted. Remember, this is just a voiceover, so it's not my true reaction. But I have the high ground. I might sound emotionless because it's like really early right now in the morning. It's quite early, but first I gotta drop this rocket. Alright, now it's time to destroy him. Sorry about that, something glitched off right there, but I will get, no matter what, get to the second C. I already have water gun crew, saber, and bazooka. I'm gonna get to the second C no matter what, and just remember, it's a voiceover. I will get to the second C, because I already am at the second C. And yeah, the boss is quite hard, and yeah, it's time to be like grinding for the boss to die, because it's taking forever. Alright, there we go. And yeah, he's just yapping a lot. No one wants to hear that. I'm just gonna spam it. Alright, we gotta talk back to the detective. Alright, so he's just gonna do that, I guess. I'm honestly just tired right now, but I gotta make this video quick. I would edit a lot with the text, but it's gonna take longer. So yeah, I don't really want to edit right now, but I just got to edit. So I'm just doing the voiceover, and yeah, he's gonna yap a lot. So yeah, now it's time to go to Middletown. And apparently I could shoot my bazooka. I did not know that. So yeah, I'm wondering, wait, can I use the light? Can I use the light to attack too? Nope, it just takes me off. Alright. I'll beat him to the Middletown. And yes, I am playing on mobile. I do play on mobile, in fact. My best food currently is a spider. But in the second C, my best is a quake. I rolled a gravity, but I bought a race reroll with it, and I forgot to store it, so it was lost. I bought it from the Valentine shop. I'm just checking the shop right now because there used to be a Buddha that me and my cousin were grinding for, but it's not there anymore. In fact, what's on stock? I completely forgot. Oh my, it's so close. It's so close. Just one more up, and then a Buddha. I swear. Alright, now it's time for me to go to the second sea. I'm gonna be cutting some of this out. So, welcome to the second sea of block streets. More advanced things in this game is in the second sea, but in the third sea you get most of the updates. So basically now we have made it to the second sea. Now we're going to the cafe to see what can roll. What if it's a Buddha? What if it's like a rocket? You never know really till you check. So we're gonna check it. Ooh, it's actually quite good. The light food is quite good actually. Yeah, it's actually quite good right there. So yeah, and I'm gonna go now. Bye.